I guess we're back for part 2 of how to make paper airplanes legitness with P and H. Alright, so we're going to start with...
Since this was the second part, we figured we should show off our brand new paper airplanes. This is my first one, and this one was Steven's first one. Before you watch the video...
Go to part 1.
Before you watch the part 2, obviously watch the part 1. But also rate and comment which one you think will win before you watch. Trust me, if you get them all right, we're going to know you watched before you commented. So, here's my first one. Ta-da!
We're each going to throw our own ones, FYI. Part 1.
He's a super drifter maniac, so.
Let's...
Oh, well.
Got that far.
He was pretty
Time to test mine.
bad. So I don't think he'll be going to the next round.
Hopefully. Wish
He'll be him, and he'll be
for the best of luck. Come on, baby.
maybe I'll just get lucky though.
Wish me well.
I won that round, but we still have to figure out who. This was my second one. No, Steven, you have to leave it.
Put them over there.
This was my second one. And maybe, just maybe, I'll get lucky with them.
Time for the pencil.
No, this is not pencil.
I thought it was, man.
This is Sir Marine Aqualife.
Oh, nice. Distance
Or, well, that's his nickname. You'll figure out his real name on part 1. That is pretty
Alright.
far.
Pretty far results. Let's check them real quick. Right there. Let's see if mine will beat his. Cross your fingers.
Hold on. This is him in a straight line. I just fixed it.
This is my Aqua Fighter. It's really good.
Yeah, right. Let's go. I'm stupid. Yeah.
Oh, tie.
No.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Undo this.
We could just.
No.
And I win for a second time, baby. Does he have a time to redeem himself?
It's just all luck.
So, here is little birdie in the sky. Why'd you do that in my eye? I'm not mad. I won't cry. I'm just mad that cows don't fly.
Dummy. Alright, time to test this. Could I possibly win the farthest distance? Not too far.
Whatever.
Not too bad. Looks like I gotta redeem myself here.
Yeah, right.
Reach me that log jet. Come on, baby.
Woo! I think we have a tie here. We have a tie, baby. It's a tie. We have a tie. Okay, and all the other ones off the court. No, those ones stay. Well, they just bring them. We've got a battle to figure out the best one.
Starting with whichever one he called the Sir Aqua, whatever it's called. Time for part 2 again.
Come on, baby. Oh no. Farther than the last one. Farther.
Will my luck redeem myself? Please cross your fingers.
Let's go, baby. Oh, is it another tie? No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Look at
You just lifted it up.
What are you talking about,
man. It was like this. Yeah, it was like right here. Like this.
Another tie.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is part 2. Well, yeah, kind of.
Again.
Again.
Now, let's see if mine will set the